Hello, dear students. Myself Thakre Yenar from Yelve Junior College, Nimgaon, Taluka Malegaon, Jilla, Nasik. Students, I am going to teach you subject chemistry, standard 11th. Students, after elements of group first and second, we are going to study the next chapter, that is chapter number 9, elements of group 13, 14 and 15. Students, you have learned in chapter 7 that in p block elements the differentiating electrons, that is the last filling electrons, enters the outermost p orbital. You also know that maximum 6 electrons can be accommodated in p subshell or 3p orbitals. This gives rise to 6 groups, group 13 to 18 in the p block. The p block elements show greater variation in properties than s block elements, which you learn in previous chapter. In this chapter, you are going to study the elements of group 13, 14 and 15 in some details. Students, you know p block elements. The element having atoms in which the last electron, differentiating electron, enters the outermost p orbital are called p block elements. Students, you know that in periodic table, yellow box shows the p block elements. The electrons boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium constitute the group 13 called boron family. Group 14, the elements carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead form the group 14 called the carbon family, as well as group 15. The elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth belong to group 15 of the periodic table called nitrogen family. The next point, electronic configuration of element of groups 13, 14 and 15. The general outer electronic configuration of group 13 elements is NH2 NP1. Those of group 14 elements is NH2 NP2, while the group 15 elements are shown as NH2 NP3. These electronic configurations differ from their nearest inert gas by 3 or 4 electrons. These elements do not occur in free monatomic state and found as compound with other elements or as polyatomic molecules or polyatomic covalent arrays such as graphite and diamond. Table shows the condensed electron configuration of the elements of group 13, group 14 and group 15. In group 13, it is called boron family, having general outer electronic configuration NH2 NP1. In this group 13 elements, boron having atomic number 5, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, having condensed electron configuration helium 2s2, 2p1. Second element, aluminum, having atomic number 13, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1, having condensed electronic configuration neon 3s2, 3p1. Next element, gallium, having atomic number 31, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p1, having condensed electron configuration argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p1. Next element, that is indium, having atomic number 49, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p1, having condensed electron configuration krypton 4d10, 5s2, 5p1. The last element, that is thallium, having atomic number 81, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 3p6, 3d10 4s2 4p6, 4d10 4f14, 5s2 5p6, 5d10 6s2 6p1, Xenon 4f14, 5d10 6s2 6p1. And then the next group, that is group 14, carbon family, having general outer electronic configuration ns2 np2. The element, that is carbon, having atomic number 6. The electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2, having condensed electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p2. The next element, that is silicon, having atomic number 14. The electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2, having condensed electronic configuration neon 3s2 3p2. The third element, that is germanium, having atomic number 32. The electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p2, having condensed electronic configuration argon 3d10 4s2 4p2. The next element, that is tin, having atomic number 50. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 5s2 5p2, having condensed electronic configuration krypton 4d10 5s2 5p2. The last element, that is lead, having atomic number 82. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 4f14 5s2 5p6 5d10 6s2 6p2, having condensed electron configuration xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p2. And the next element, that is nitrogen, the group 15, having outer electron configuration ns2 np3. In this family there are 5 elements. The first element is nitrogen, having atomic number 7. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3, having condensed electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p3. The next element, phosphorus, having atomic number 15. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3, having condensed electronic configuration neon 3s2 3p3. The third element, arsenic, having atomic number 33. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p3, having condensed electronic configuration argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. The fourth element, that is antimony, having atomic number 51. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 5s2 5p3, having condensed electronic configuration krypton 4d10 5s2 5p3. And the last element, that is bismuth, having atomic number 83. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 4f14 5s2 5p6 5d10 6s2 6p3, having condensed electronic configuration xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p3. And the next is the problem. We saw the first problem, that is problem number 9.1. Atomic number of group 13 elements are in order: boron less than aluminum, less than gallium, less than indium, and less than thallium. Arrange these elements in increasing order of ionic radii of Em3 plus. Let us solve this problem having solution. The given elements are in an increasing order of atomic number. As we go down group 13, their general outer electronic configuration is NH2 NP1. Em3 plus is formed by removal of 3 electrons from the outermost shell N. In M3 plus, the N minus shell becomes the outermost. Size of the added N minus 1 shell increases down the group. Therefore, the ionic radii of M3 plus are so boron 3 plus less than aluminum 3 plus less than gallium 3 plus less than indium 3 plus less than thallium 3 plus. And student, we also saw problem second, that is problem 9.2. Why the atomic radius of gallium is less than that of aluminum? Solution. Atomic radius increases down the group due to added new shell. Aluminum does not have d electrons. As we go from aluminum down to gallium, the nuclear charge increases by 18 units. Out of 18 electrons added, 10 electrons are in inner 3D subshell. The electrons offer poor shielding effect. Therefore, the effect of attraction due to increased nuclear charges is experienced permanently by the outer electrons of gallium, and thus its atomic radius becomes smaller than that of aluminum. The next point, that is trends in atomic and physical properties of elements of groups 13 and 14 and 15. Let us we saw group 13. The element of group 13 show wide variation in properties. In group 13, boron is a meteoroid. It is glossary and hard solid like metal, but poor electrical conductor like non-metals. The other element in this group are fairly reactive metals. Aluminum is the third most abundant element in the earth crust. Some physical and atomic properties of group 13 elements are given in below table. The element boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. The next problem is problem 9.3. The values of first ionization enthalpy of aluminum, silicon, phosphorus are 577, 786 and 1012 kilojoule more raised to minus 1 respectively. Explain the observed trend. Let us solution. The trend shows increasing first ionization enthalpy from aluminum to silicon to phosphorus. Aluminum, silicon and phosphorus belong to 13th period in periodic table. They have some valence shell. Due to increased nuclear charge, electrons in the valence shell are more tightly held by nucleus as we go from aluminum to silicon to phosphorus. Therefore, more energy is required to remove an electron from its outermost shell. In above table, enlist atomic and physical properties of elements of carbon family, which is group 14. In this group, all the three traditional types of elements are present. Carbon is non-metal, silicon is meteoroid, which is brittle like non-metal. It is hard and has meteoroid luster. Germanium is also brittle but hard and lustrous meteoroid. Tin or lead down the group are corrosion resistant and moderately reactive. The next slide we show some physical and atomic property of group 15 elements. Group 15 is the nitrogen family. In above table, atomic and physical properties of elements of group 15. This group also include the three traditional type of elements. The gases, nitrogen and brittle phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony are meteoroids, while bismuth is moderately reactive metal. Thank you.